Hello and welcome back to the Crème Kitchen. Today we will be featuring the recipe contest for December, and I have to tell you, it won by a landslide. So thank you everyone for voting. What is it? It's the candied bacon. Who doesn't like bacon, right? So let's get started. What I want you to do is get 1 pound of thick cut bacon. You want the thick cut for this recipe. You're gonna need a baking sheet, but before you use this, your life is gonna be so much better if you line it with foil. The cleanup is a piece of cake. Once you have your baking sheet lined, I want you to grab your bacon and fill it up. Just use your favorite brand of bacon. I have a couple. The topping to this bacon before you put it in the oven is super easy, and it's something everybody has on hand. Dark brown sugar, Dijon mustard, a little bit of salt, and just a hint of cayenne pepper. Get 6 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Okay, so we have our dark brown sugar in the bowl. Now, I want you to put in a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, just a little touch. 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. In goes your cayenne pepper. You can use a pinch. I'm going to use a couple shakes. Now here's a really difficult part. Mix it all up. You want a nice, thick, crumbly mixture. Just get all that yumminess combined. Okay, now what do? You sprinkle it right over the top. Don't worry about how this looks, because once it gets in the oven, it melts everywhere and gets all over the entire strip of bacon. Voila! We have our bacon and it's ready to go into our hot oven. Timer went off. I said it'd be about 25-30 minutes. It's been 28 minutes, so let's take a look. Beautiful. Looks amazing. You're looking for that nice dark caramelized color, and at the same time, the smell in this house, out of this world. Now that we have it out, we want it to cool. All the bubbling oil and grease from the bacon, you want that to calm down before you do anything with it. Once that calms down, we're gonna take the bacon off and we're gonna lay it on some paper towels to cool. Now before you let these cool completely, make sure you take them off of the paper towel, otherwise they're gonna stick. Now we have let them finish cooling on a plate without the paper towel. Here's a really fun way to serve it. Now with this, I like to serve this salty, sweet, candied bacon with one thing salty and one thing sweet on the side. And I'll show you what that is. So we're just gonna arrange them very rustically on our wood board. And I have 2 little dessert cups here. I'll put one there, one here. Salt and pepper nuts. These happen to be salt and pepper peanuts. We're gonna put that for our salty on one side. And then for sweet, dark chocolate caramels. Honestly, you'll be the best host or hostess if you serve this at your next gathering. How great would this be on your New Year's spread? Okay, you guys. Chop, chop. 2 people here to try this amazing candied bacon. You guys voted. This is what you get. Look how pretty. Make sure you have plenty of napkins nearby too. Did I knock it out of the ballpark or what?
Yeah.
This will be a favorite in your home very soon. Remember, also, it's in Cookbook 1. I want to thank you for being in my kitchen with my family once again. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. And you guys, Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Thanks.